it's Celia again. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking about biodegradable plastic, compostable plastic, bioplastic, the difference between them, and if they are really more environmentally friendly than other plastic. First, let's define a few terms.
Biodegradable. Biodegradable plastics are plastics that can be broken down by microorganisms into carbon dioxide, water, and biomass, which is organic material from plants and animals used as fuel. Compostable. Compostable plastics are a type of biodegradable plastic that can become compost after it has been broken down. Usually, this means it has to be composted using industrial equipment, and it will not break down in your compost bin at home. Lastly, we have bioplastic. Bioplastic is plastic made from plants, such as PLA or polylactic acid plastic, which is frequently made from sugar found in corn. It makes up much of the compostable and biodegradable plastic we use. So what are the benefits of using these kinds of plastics?
One of the arguments for bioplastics is that it would not be adding any additional carbon to the atmosphere as it degrades, since it's already been absorbed initially during plant growth. In fact, PLA plastics produce 68% fewer greenhouse gases than petroleum plastics.
Another potential benefit is that plants are a renewable source, while oil is not, and they are a much more accessible resource since they are grown worldwide. Also, PLA uses up 65% less energy to produce than traditional plastic. And they can be broken down into compost without additional harm to the environment, meaning fewer items in the landfill, and they do not release toxic chemicals. However, there are still a number of downsides.
There are not many composting facilities available to consumers of bioplastic, which means that the plastic will not actually be turned into usable compost, and instead a lot of it is thrown in the trash.
Furthermore, if consumers misplace bioplastics, they don't really do that much good.
In landfills, there is no evidence to suggest that PLA plastic degrades any differently from any other plastic. And in recycling plants, PLA is seen as a contaminant, and it actually becomes more costly to sort it out.
On top of this, biodegradable plastics do not necessarily biodegrade in water, and this means that there can still be impacts on sea life, such as getting stuck in plastic. The additives in biodegradable plastics could also negatively affect marine life, and they make this plastic more difficult to recycle. Ultimately, what does all this information mean?
Basically, although there could be some benefit to using these kinds of plastic, it's more important to focus on reducing our plastic waste overall, which means finding better alternatives to plastic and using fewer single-use plastic.
Thanks so much for watching, and if you're interested in seeing more, make sure to like this video and click the subscribe button. See you next time!